Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video I would like to present you a Gear 5 Giant mode right here. So we have now implemented a move which allows you to turn into a Gear 5 Giant and to perform a basic set of combat. So the reason of why you're not able to do the other Gear 5 moves while being in Giant mode follows in tomorrow's tutorial video, so make sure to check it out. Make sure to check out the model in the description, guys, and make sure to check out my second channel, guys, and enjoy.